Oh,
Yes, man.
that is everything.
That was everything.
Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, then I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not.
We're going to help Tiara with her back, neck, and upper back. So I'm going to have you give me some detail about what's going on, okay?
For the last 3 to 4 years, I've been having pain in my upper back, my shoulders. It's where I hold a lot of my stress. Lower back is from time to time, not as often. I think it's age, even though I'm only 33.
But to say you look pretty young. You know,
Yeah.
too. Okay. You've never been to a chiropractor before?
No, first time.
First time. So what's going on? You scared?
Not scared, just a little nervous.
Just a little nervous?
Yeah,
but you've seen some of our videos, right?
I have. I watched some this morning before I came just to reassure myself, but not scared. I feel like I'm in good hands.
Okay. Okay. I mean, you know, we talked about the risks and benefits. You know, it's very unlikely to be hurt by a chiropractor. But, you know, any medical procedure, you know, there's always some type of risk, you know, involved. All right. So the lower back, when we did your assessment, you know, it was really stiff, especially with that rotation. So the goal of the adjustment is to kind of increase that range of motion. Okay. The more range of motion you have, the less prone you are to injury. Okay. So same thing with the upper back and neck. All right. So we're going to adjust it, increase that range of motion, decrease all that tension, and therefore, you know, it'll be less pain. Okay. Then after that, you know, the treatment is going to consist of stretches and then regular massage. Okay. All right. So are you ready?
I am. I'm ready.
All right. We're going to get started. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm going to position you there. Good. Chin like this here. Good. Okay. I want you to just relax for me. There you go. Good. Perfect. Yes. Well, you got like 2 of them, right?
Yeah, I did. Okay.
How was that? That's not too bad?
Good. No, it wasn't bad, but I feel it already. You know?
Yeah, you feel it, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a relief? Yeah? Okay. Yep. Perfect. So you relax and let it out.
Ooh.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Not too bad? It's not as bad as you thought.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
You know how you hear all the cracking?
The cracking, yeah.
But on the videos, I'm like...
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's not as scary. Okay. All right. Let's have you go and sit up. We're going to adjust this portion, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently. Okay. I'm going to have you sit and face this wall for me.
Okay. Like this?
Yep. Okay. Both arms up. Put them behind your head. I have to fit through this space here. Drop your whole body on me.
Drop.
Deep breath. Let it out. Relax.
Oh!
Yes, man.
That is everything.
That was everything.
Oh my God.
That was 4th of July, right?
Hey, that was literally the main reason.
Got everything.
I just needed that. Okay. Okay.
That's probably like one of the loudest adjustments I've done today.
Because it's so bad.
It was
bad up here.
When we did the rotation, especially when we went back, it was extremely tight.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay. I heard my man say he was going to sleep. I was sick.
So you already know, right?
Yes, I'm going to rest so good.
Okay. So for this one, you just have to relax as much as you can, okay? All right. All right, so relax for me. Relax, let everything go. Good. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Not too bad? All right, so actually the last one we'll do will be the Ystrap. Have you seen that?
I have. People say they feel taller.
Afterwards, yeah, it's
After
like
they
a whole decompression. All right. Okay, so let's take the earrings off for me. All right. Go ahead, take a deep breath for me. And let it out. There you go. Good. I'm going to let that one go. Take one big breath. Out.
Ooh. Ooh. It was nice. Ooh. I don't even really feel too much tension. Feel kind of loose.
Can I feel
Okay.
loose, right? Get up, move around for me. Let me know how you feel.
Okay. So it's just the motion. Okay.
Okay, all right. That's not too bad, right? Yeah.
Remember the motion?
Yeah, it was really tight, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad? Mm-mm. Okay.
Like I might be able to really do something. All right, so take a deep breath in, breath out. Breath out. Okay, breath in, breath out. Mm-hmm. Feel okay? Mm-hmm. Go ahead and look in that direction. There you go. Okay. That feels good on the low back. Mm-hmm. So breath here. And breath out. Okay. And deep breath in, breath out. I'm going to bring you up, so my hands, oh, I almost did a split. Deep breath out. You're just going to keep leaning forward. Keep on coming. There you go. Okay, breath in, breath out. Okay, go ahead and send your arms back. Arms, yeah. I think that's good. Okay, feels good? Deep breath. Breath out. Hold on to me. There you go. What I need you is bring your chin up. Chin up. Yep. And chin down. No, I got you. There you go. Now at this point, you're going to get onto your hands and knees. Go forward and drop your head. There you go. Okay.
Feels okay? Mm-hmm. Deep breath in, breath out. Keep breathing. You can bring yourself up. I think. All right, so what you're going to do, we're going to do 3 of these. Mm-hmm. You're going to hold it this way, where my fists are.
Where they are. Mm-hmm.
And what I'm going to do is lean back. All you have to do is focus on your core.
Okay.
And make sure you're breathing.
Okay.
Okay. Deep breath in, breath out, and go back. Oh, this is too easy. Let me get it together. Okay. Drop your head. There you go. Give me one more breath in. Breath out. How does your back feel?
Back feels good.
Okay.
Quads, hamstrings. I think it's the back hamstrings.
Okay, we're gonna bring you up slowly. Since that was so easy, I got something for you. Don't worry. So at this point, this is the second one. You're gonna have your fists out the way mine are.
Okay.
This far out, but it's gonna be a cross grip. Yes. All right, you ready? Deep breath. Breath. Good. Perfect. Coming back up. I'm gonna keep you even, so just reverse that cross.
Reverse it? What do you mean? Reverse it?
Put this one under.
Under.
Okay.
like reverse.
I do this all day. It's okay. All right, deep breath. Breath out.
Ooh.
Still good? Okay, give me one more breath. Perfect. Wonderful. We're coming back up. Last one. That's pretty good. Let me take this. The last one is going to be you holding it this way.
Okay.
Underhanded grip.
Okay.
As far out as possible. And maybe bring your legs out more.
Out?
Yeah, there we go. Okay. I can't even do it. That's okay. All right. All right, you ready? Deep breath. Breath out. Focus on your core. Keep the grip firm. There you go. Wonderful. Deep breath. Breath out.
Shoot.
One more. I'm sorry. Give me one more.
Oh my God.
That's it. Slowly bring yourself up. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Focus on your core. You can let go. What was that last one? That was the one. People don't like me when I do this one.
Jeez. I'm gonna be nice and stressful.
Exactly. You can actually do that at home against something firm. Just use a belt or something and pull yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll try that.
Yeah. Good deal.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You ready for your massage, right?
Yes.
Okay.